Le coup le plus rusé que le diable ait jamais réussi, ça a été de faire croire à tout le monde qu'il n'existait pas.
Stop making me cool up, Wally. Yo, that Joe in them is here now. Word. Introducing Lex Diamond. Hey, yo, add on, son. Politics. Controllers rap like Napoleon, half Mongolian. Hold it, you owe me in. Rock 'em like Manoleon, yeah. Lex Diamond, shining like he rhyming, not 2-9. Titanium glass, time to play that ass. Whirlwinds of French, come moving intense. Time to pull again, release the shell well. Make them yell again, so sleep. But I'ma be maxing his sweets, counting your paper and counting your sheeps, hitting your chicken jeeps. Miraculously attack your faculty. Who wanna tackle me? Your Jack Mac kidnapping for free. What? You got heat, you better pop those. We moving like Estapos through underground potholes to rock those. Much land discoveries, chrome rims, sipping bubbly. Who living lovely? Half a brick to cover me, so dissing me. Come on now, listen G. Use a dime, I'm a key done straight out of Sicily. Now back to the stash crib. Joey crack bagging up cracks. One love, giving G-backs. We getting knots like stockbrokers who won't marry odds. Blast shots for all my niggas who splash cops. The Rich Coleon camp is here. 1001 corner done. Fake a jack, you
Word
be your
life,
corner.
I be the infamous who leaves no witnesses.
Cracks the wickedest.
Run up in your crib, blast your kids, ain't no myth in this, shit's official. I pistol whip you with my Smith & Wesson, cause my obsession with sending rappers to heaven gets me in the Russian. You need protection from the smooth assassin, who really moves with action, blasting motherfuckers execution fashion. Now who's the fat one that you love to hate? Catch you at your mother's weight, smack you then I'll whack you with my sub tray 8. It doesn't take much to make me restless. Look at my face and death and lose your breath in the trunk of my face is Lexus. You want to test this, so really? I make one call, I have the whole crew coming on the ferry. I'm very dangerous and well connected. I'm puffing up with method, then trying to decide who's left the feelings Leslie. So respected and admired, the boss retired, you lost. Wu-Tang and Terror Squad, Bayak
Get
Dios.
knots like stockbrokers who own Marriott's. Blast shots for all my niggas who splash cops. Rich Coleon camp is here. 1001 corner done. Fake a jack, you be your corner.
You guys despise guys like us, disgust like Spartacus. You cuss, you claim the bus. You lust for a part of us, you lust but can't touch. Plus we far from any type of fellas you can trust. Put the pressure on them like a bitch press to your chest. Sound like sweat on my back, we're having sex, tight ass flex. Pretty Pocahontas, pussy sweet like Monotech. Sis got curves like a GS 300 Lex. My body's 95% alcohol, 5% cancer. Sosa Diamonds, Getty Lucci, blaze it up like Bonanza. Catch me in the cut, easy Jesus burning my gut as I remember my menage a trois with Mardi Gras sluts. I question mark your heart, punctuate your fate. All your version predicates done as well as you pronunciate. In the rep, we're going to break you off the aisle. Take CO's hostage, A-rap style, no surrender.
Get knots like stockbrokers who own Marriott's. Blast shots for all my niggas who splash cops. Rich Coleon camp is here. 1001 corner done. Fake a jack, you be your corner.
Yeah, I'm all about business and enterprising, advising financial advisors on franchising and widening their horizons, devising ideas with masterminders, moving on the stash with diamonds. First we get the cash, then we laugh like miners. Don't get me wrong, I'm a funny bastard, but when it comes to money done, I'm not the one to laugh with. I'm after for what cash can bring me, brothers. Me and my demon lovers blasting, laughing high hyenas back to Ringling Brothers. Believe the mothers, you the best jester. Still, I'm investing mills on the hunch over lunch, puffing on the Chesterfield. Wine test the real scandalous. I'm at the Sands in Los Angeles, planning hits with anonymous philanthropists. Spanish kids, post the guard like evangelists, chopping niggas up and making sandwiches.
Knots like stockbrokers who own Marriott's. Blast shots for all my niggas who splash cops. Rich Coleon camp is here. 1001 corner done. Fake a jack, you be your corner.
Le coup le plus rusé que le diable ait jamais réussi, ça a été de faire croire à tout le monde qu'il n'existait pas.